Well, I welcome you back to a Champ of Felix YouTube channel, and I hope you're all doing very well by the grace of God. Today I want us to look at a certain topic today, which is going to be very brief. Today, it will not take very long. Today, I want us to look at a certain topic. I want us to look at a certain topic today, which is not going to be very long today. So today, I have a machine here. I have a machine here, as you can see in my hands. This is a machine that one of my customers brought, and concerning a display problem. Concerning a display problem. Yes, concerning a display problem. And the problem is when he turns the machine on, the machine goes alright, but there's no display. When he turns the machine on, the machine turns on alright, but there's no display. So then I took the machine and have a look at it. So I want us to look at the topic is how you can identify or how you can fix a display problem, or how you can solve a display issue in case someone brings this machine to you. So for this one, we are not going to open the machine, this machine for today. We're not going to open the machine for today. I'm just going to give you the guidelines on how you can go on with troubleshooting in case someone brings his machine like this to you with a display problem. How you can go about it, fixing it when someone brings his machines to you concerning a display issue. So when someone brings his machine to you saying that he or she is facing a display problem, whereby when he turns on the machine, there's no display. The first thing you need to check, or the first troubleshooting technique that you need to apply is, first of all, check the RAM. You check the RAM. So this is how a RAM looks like. You check the RAM within the machine. It could be that there's a problem with the memory. That's why there's no display, or it could be that one of them is not installed in there properly. So thereby you install it very well. So the first troubleshooting technique that you need to use when someone brings his machine concerning a display problem is to, first of all, check the RAM. First troubleshooting technique for display issues is to first check the RAM. And then the second troubleshooting technique that you also need to check, apart from the memory or the RAM, is also for you to check to see if the screen is working. The second troubleshooting technique for display problem is to check if the screen of the machine is working. So let's say in the case of a laptop, you connect an external monitor to the device to make sure that the monitor or the screen of the laptop or the machine is working very well. Because In some situations, it could be that everything is working properly, but the screen is faulty, or the screen is spot, which can cause uh, no display issue. So the second thing you need to check after the RAM is the um, the screen. Check your screen to see if the screen is not spot, or if the screen is working very well. And also the third troubleshooting technique you also need to check during or when fixing a display issue is to check the brightness of the screen. Check the brightness of the screen. Why did I say the brightness of the screen? Because it could be that the brightness of the screen is low. Maybe the customer may not be aware of him or her lowering the brightness of the screen. So the third thing, you as a computer engineer or you as a computer technician need to check when dealing with issues with display, no display. You need to first of all check the and the third, which is the third, but you need to first of all check the brightness. Check the brightness. So because in some cases it could be that the brightness within the machine is low. The brightness of the screen is low. So the third point is check the brightness of the screen. The fourth point, which I'll bring after the fourth point, I'll bring the lesson to an end, is to check your CPU. Check the CPU within the machine. Check the CPU within the machine, because this one can also cause no display. So you check the CPU, whether the CPU is working very well, or whether there is a problem in the CPU. You check it very well. That's the fourth point when troubleshooting no display, or the troubleshooting techniques that you can apply or use is to check that the CPU is correct, meaning you check to see if the CPU is not spot, it's working correctly before we move on to the next step. So for now, these are the 4 steps that I will give when troubleshooting no display. These are the 4 steps that I will give when troubleshooting no display. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm wearing the glass here, and then continue another time. I pray with you to subscribe to this channel. You see, this channel is here to educate us in the IT field. So please, as you watch this video, subscribe, like, and also share this video for us. Thank you for watching, and then goodbye for now. My name is Champion Felix. And then you're watching the Champion Felix channel or YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Subscribe, like, share, and hope for more videos. Thank you very much.